Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Medicare Part C. Medicare Part C, also known as Medicare Advantage, offers an alternative way to receive your Medicare benefits. These plans are provided by private insurance companies approved by Medicare and often include additional benefits like vision, dental, and hearing coverage. Understanding the application process is key to securing the right healthcare plan for your needs. We will guide you through the steps to make an informed decision. To be eligible for Medicare Part C, you must first be enrolled in both Medicare Part A and Part B. You also need to reside within the service area of the specific plan you are considering. There are several key times to enroll. Your initial enrollment period is a 7-month window centered around your 65th birthday. Additionally, the annual enrollment period, from October 15th to December 7th, is a popular time to make changes or enroll in a new plan. Choosing the right Medicare Part C plan involves careful consideration of your healthcare needs. Begin by researching the various plans offered in your area, comparing their costs, such as monthly premiums and deductibles. It is crucial to verify if your current doctors and hospitals are part of the plan's network. Also, look at the extra benefits provided, like dental, vision, or fitness programs, to find a plan that truly enhances your overall health coverage. Once you have selected your ideal Medicare Part C plan, the application process is straightforward. You can typically apply directly through the insurance company's website or by calling them. The official Medicare website also offers helpful tools to compare plans and complete your enrollment online. Be ready to provide your Medicare number and the start dates for your Part A and Part B coverage. Always double-check all your information before submitting to ensure a smooth transition to your new plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.